Welcome to our introduction to the Reserba Business Portal. Let's take a look under the hood and set up a business together. Don't worry, it's really simple. If you do not have an account yet, let's just create one together. Simply click on Sign Up. As a next step, enter your name, your email address, and your password. In case you have a referral code, you can enter it here as well. After that, click Sign Up. You will now receive an email with a code to verify your account. Now, let's log in. This is your dashboard in our business portal. Your account is now active, and all we have to do is create a business. In the near future, it will be possible to create multiple businesses for one account in case you have multiple branches. Simply click that button. For our demo business, I chose a company that cleans aircons. Let's name it Cruise Aircon Cleaning. After that, select a category that fits you. In our case, we will choose services. In order to attract more potential customers, create suitable tags. We're going with aircon and cleaning. Now it's time to tell the world about your business. Create a nice and professional description so that the customer can gain trust, get to know you better, and might get in touch with you to avail your services. All right, to present your business in a professional way, let's upload an image. This will be visible to all users, so it's best to use your logo and your branding. This is an example of what it could look like. Below, you can set up your operating hours. If you have a physical store, simply adjust the time for the weekdays. If you're operating online, you can click 24/7. Easy, isn't it? The next step is to enter your business address. Fill in your street, the province, your city or municipality, and your postal code. But in most cases, our autocomplete will do that for you. Now click on Submit down below and congratulations, you're in. Our team will now double-check and approve your business. Once we do that, you will get a confirmation email. Don't worry, it won't take long. We're happy to have you aboard. Now let's click on Services on the left sidebar. For our aircon business, we can create two services, Split Type and Window Type. So we choose Create New Service. For the new service, let's create a name Window Type Aircon Cleaning. The next step is to create a nice description so that the customer knows what to expect. Don't forget the price below. Please use real prices, or at least a starting price. Transparency is important on Reserba, and your customers will appreciate it. Let's also pick a nice photo for that service and upload it. Looks good, doesn't it? All right, now let's click Create and we're done. Our services are now online and live. You can change it anytime, no matter if you want to change the image, the description, or the price. You can also hide a specific service in case something is not available at the moment. Under Documents in the sidebar, you can get verified. If you want to get the blue check mark and gain more trust from potential customers, simply upload your business permit, a DTI license, or any other document that shows us that your business is registered. Our team will check these documents and send you a confirmation message. It's totally free and a nice benefit, right? All our interested users and your potential customers can send messages and inquiries to you. Under Chat, you can find all those messages and can reply directly to the users. You can answer questions, take reservations, or do other agreements, like sending an item via courier. Reserba does not handle any payments, so it's all between you and your customer. But of course, you can also accept direct bookings. A customer can select a service, like aircon cleaning, a date, and a time. You can find all those bookings under Reservations. This is also suitable for food businesses and other niches. Here, you can approve, decline, and reschedule a booking. Keep in mind that communication is key, and a happy customer is more likely to avail you again. The button Reservation Logs simply shows you the history of all your bookings or reservation and also lists down all the changes and updates that has been made by you or the user. A calendar integration will come soon. The management button below allows you to list down all the users who interacted with you in the past. In case you had bad experience with a specific user because he didn't show up or something else was not right, you can block that user here, and he can't contact you again. Our systems also work with inbuilt fraud protection to keep you safe. Once you are registered, your first 3 months of usage are on us and completely free. After the 3 months, you can extend your membership for 299 peso per month. If you avail a year, you will get 2 months for free. We will add other payment methods very soon, but in the meantime, try Reserba and tell us what you think. We don't charge any commission fees. If there is any feature you need to succeed, let us know. We're happy to help and improve. And again, we're happy to have you. Thank you for joining Reserba. You should also join Reserba Insider on Facebook, a dedicated group only for business user on Reserba. You can find the link in the top bar of the business portal. See you there, and thank you for watching this onboarding.